In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix video DXGKRNL fatal error in Windows 10 and 11. First thing you're going to do is you want to go here and you want to type in CMD. Right click, run as administrator, click yes. And here you're going to run some commands. So first command is ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Now you need to do that second command, ipconfig /renew, and then press enter and let it load. So once you run the second command, now you can run the third command, dism /online /clean -image /restore health, and then press enter and let it load. And after that, you can close this down. Now I recommend to also update your Windows. So if you go to Windows Update and if you see any updates, make sure you are on the latest update. So check for updates and make sure you are on the latest update. Next thing you want to do, you want to go to the devices manager. So here you'll go to display adapters and find your adapter, your graphics card, and you want to update it. So if you go here to update, you will be able to update your driver. So you can either update it manually, like by selecting it here and clicking next, and this will update, or if you want, just update it automatically by clicking this, and this will automatically search and update for you. Make sure you update. If you have multiple graphics card, update them. After that, restart your computer and your issue is fixed.